Hi. Hey, it is me again, back for another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a super ultra extremely very glam awesome look. Not that I'm going anywhere. Let's just get started with this glam look. We're gonna start with my favorite primer. It's the Physician Spotlight Primer. Really, I only have one other primer and I don't like it as much as this. Let's go in with some foundation. I'm gonna mix the L'Oreal 24 Hour Wear and the Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie. And this is in shade LN2. This one is in 445. Hopefully mixing these two together, I can get the right shade. I'm gonna mix these two together because I love the way it makes my skin look. Kind of just let's conceal. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral. I tried to clean it. I actually tried. Instantly, it was spilling everywhere. Very concealed. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Matchstick in shade Amber to contour my nose. Get some powder on here before it starts melting off my face. It is really hot in here. I love it. I'm gonna use the Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder. We should bake. I'm gonna take my sponge, put it under the eyes, nose, forehead, wherever you really want. When it comes to baking, very good at it. Now we leave this. This is definitely the most attractive point of the video. Let's quickly fix my lips while we're here. I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I'm going to just bronze my entire face. Now let's go in and contour just a little bit more because we just do not have enough bronzer on my face right now. So I'm going to take the Jouer Duo something and we're just going to use the lighter shade. Can you ever be too bronzed? Yes. I feel like this bake has been sitting on my face way too long. Probably gonna end up with super crusty eyes. Yeah, that sounds fun. Maybe if I cry at some point, I'll make it better. It has made my face extra smooth though, except between my eyes. I have these permanent frown lines that I can't get rid of, maybe because I frown all the time. Not an intentional frown. I'm not angry. This is my face. Let's use a bit of brush. Let's use some blush. I'm gonna go in with the NYX, the Mauve palette. Let me just throw my brush across the room. If you think you have enough, you probably don't, so just go back in and add a bit more. Let's go in with some... My nose is itchy. Don't want to ruin the makeup. I'm going to use this Ofra highlighter. It is the Star Island shade. I am actually super in love with Jazz. I'm also really loving this highlighter. It just makes me look super glowy. The powder is so fine, it just sits so nicely on the cheeks. Some of them I find are a little bit rough. This one is just really nice and I love it. If you're looking for a highlighter, this is definitely a nice one. Because we're going ultra glam, make sure you get very carried away and use like half the pan of product on your face. Let's move on. I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows and then come back. I'm gonna use some Benefit brow products. It's really hard to tell if they're even, so I kind of just guess and hope for the best. Let's move into the eyes. Let's make a look that looks super glamorous and stuff. I'm just gonna wing it and I'm gonna take the Morphe Stunning Vibes, I think I ate a fly, 35V palette. Has a bazillion shades in it. I enjoy the colors in this. I'm kind of thinking I wanna go some warm tone browns, but at the same time I could do like a pink color. Definitely the most decisive person to ever exist. Let's just go with the browns. Okay, we're gonna go in with this shade here. Now I'm gonna go into this shade. Turning this palette over sucks. So big and weird shaped. We're gonna take that shade and just put that right in the crease. I'm just gonna quickly blend that out a little. We're gonna try and go in with this color here. It's a warm brownie color, and we're gonna just take that right on this outer edge. So now I want to add some lighter shades to make it look a little less dark. So I'm gonna go in and see if this shade works. I have no clue, but we're gonna take this corner shade here. We're just gonna add that to the outer 3/4, like here. I'm gonna take a pretty dense brush to do that. I feel like this is a dense brush. It's also not clean. That shade has actually worked better than I originally planned. So I'm gonna take some of that concealer and we're gonna cut the crease. Went a little overboard with the amount of concealer. Just past halfway, tried to blend that out, but it doesn't matter too much because I'm just gonna put color over the top anyway. I have a lot of strange hand movements happening. I'm now gonna take this color here. Got a lot of fallout on my eyes. I'm gonna go in with an even lighter one. I really want to try out this Stila liquid eyeshadow. It is just like straight glitter. Do I have to wait till it dries? We're gonna go back in with that second shade. Then we're gonna take that darker shade and just go on that outer third. Let's go and quickly blend in the glitter. And then we're gonna take some glitter underneath. Just gonna wait for the glitter under my eyes to dry. I'm trying not to let it wrinkle. I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal Infallible 16-hour wear liner. It's a gel stick. I'm gonna stick that on the bottom. Now I'm gonna go in with my trusty Maneater liner by Tarte. I'm gonna go away and do mascara and lashes. See you in a sec. Okay, we are finished the eyes. I'm actually really liking this. Anyway, moving on, let's quickly finish off with the lips. I'm gonna use the NYX lip pencil in Nude Pink. I feel like adding a lip liner just adds time. I guess it keeps the lipstick in line, but I'm gonna go with one of Ofra's long-lasting liquid lips. This is by far my favorite lipstick. This is by far one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. Miracle Formula or something. We're gonna use the shade Nude Potion. It's such a pretty color. I just want to add a little bit of sparkle and gloss. This is the NYX Filler Instinct in Sparkling Please. This lip gloss is a plumping lip gloss. It now feels like I have chilies on my lips. So this is the final look. We have face, lips, eyes done. We are ready to go, and what do people do when they look like this? I feel like I'm ready for a nap though. I'm gonna go and do something else. If you like this look, leave a comment and like the video. Also follow me on Instagram. I post fun stuff there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you should subscribe for more videos of me. You guys are the best, and that's it. Bye!